You are going to love the 2014 Focus. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather upholstery, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, sync, satellite communications, footwell lights, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, power door locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.